Alright guys, I got the Vibrant Performance VanJen Clamp. It's 4-inch. This is the, it's not really a V-band. It's kind of like a 4-piece setup. This is basically the clamp. Most of you guys have probably seen these already. It's like a quick release style clamp with a little safety locking pin. Hold it in place there. And I'm actually going to use this to weld my intake to my throttle body. I weld this coupler on. So this is what one of the clamps itself looks like, and then they each have a O-ring that goes around them. Now, these are 4-inch, so this will be welded, one side will be welded straight to the throttle body, and the other part will be to the rest of the intercooler piping. It's the other side. They do recommend welding it with about an 1/8 inch gap, so they have a little bit of flexibility in between there, which is what I'm going to strive for, but no promises. And then the last piece, so it comes with 3 boxes inside of it. The last piece is like this little slip ring that goes over the 2 pieces. After they're welded on. So this will kind of go over both of them, put a little bit of oil on the O-rings to help lube them up. This seals it all together, and this holds the slip ring on. So pretty good looking piece. Polished aluminum, it's all 6061 stuff. It's got a nice recess. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a nice recess down in there for your pipe to go on. I'm gonna be fabbing up my charge pipe from some of this monster 4-inch aluminum stuff, and it's pretty dang close. I mean, with just a little bit of pressure, it sits right down on there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. This isn't perfectly straight, but once I get it all cleaned up, I'll buzz some of this stuff together, see how it turns out. So this is my setup so far. It's a Holley high ram with just a cheapo eBay $100 like Nick Williams knockoff throttle body. I did flip it over back to get the first piece welded on. Alright, got that off. While it's off of there, I'm also going to take the Phillips head screws out of the throttle blade itself. Put a little Loctite on there. They're not like a stock one where they're swedged in there. You can't get them off. A lot of people knock Chinese throttle bodies, but I mean, there's not much to it. It's a throttle valve. That's it. Everything else bolted in fine. IAC and TPS. I mean, I would recommend them. Not for everybody. Some guys have problems about running Chinese stuff. I don't. So, basically, this will sit on here like that. It does make it obviously about 3/4 of an inch or so taller. And the other piece will be straight across from that. They do want you to have it parallel, or as parallel as possible. That's what gets you the most flexibility out of it. So a little bit of gap, make sure they're parallel. Obviously don't overheat them if you can help it, because that's just going to warp them. Get this thing set up on the bench. Got the Precision TIG 185. I'll be welding this thing up. First thing I'm going to do is get it going on this throttle body and put it back on. And then we will start cutting some pipe from there. So this is going to be my plan to keep it at a 1/8 gap. So I lubed one up with the O-ring and put the slip ring on there. Had this little 1/8 inch scrap aluminum laying around. And just cut it to about the same diameter. It's not perfect, but it's close enough. I'm going to set that in there. Go ahead and clamp the thing together. That way, no matter how hard I push, if I just keep tension up against it, it's going to keep it at an 1/8. Well, it's welded on there. It's not great, but it'll do. I think it's going to seal up okay. It didn't fit right down over there, so I don't know if you can see that, but it was a little thin on there, so it did get a little bit of burn through, but not too bad. Nothing I don't think a little love with the wire wheel can help out with, but that's pretty much it for right now. I'll let this thing cool down, get it bolted back up to the truck. Got two 90s and a 45 here, and my goal is to basically come straight off of this and then go down. Got tons of room there. It'll come over, and then, sorry to make you so freaking dizzy, but that is the 4-inch off the intercooler. I'm gonna have to trim this up a little bit right here just to give this a little bit better shape. I had it trimmed for my 3-inch on my old setup, so just again, cheap Chinese eBay intercooler, bugs included. That's all I pretty much got left. Buzz that together, fit everything up. Hopefully it all fits pretty well, but we'll see. I like to start making some chooch noises this evening by the time I get it all done. So